10 Things to Know About C++. C++ is a compiled language. This means that C++ code is translated into machine code by a compiler before it is executed, which can make it faster and more efficient than interpreted languages. C++ is used for system programming and low-level tasks. This means that C++ is often used to develop operating systems, device drivers, and other software that interacts directly with hardware. C++ is widely used in game development. This means that many game engines and frameworks, such as Unreal Engine and Unity, are built using C++, making it an important language for game developers to learn. C++ is strongly typed. This means that C++ enforces strict data typing rules, which can help prevent errors and improve code reliability. C++ has a large and active community. This means that there are many developers and organizations using and contributing to C++, as well as a wide variety of resources and tools available for C++ development. C++ has a complex syntax compared to other languages. This means that C++ code can be difficult to read and write, especially for beginners or developers who are used to simpler syntaxes. C++ offers high performance and efficiency. This means that C++ code can be optimized for speed and memory usage, making it a good choice for applications that require high performance, such as games or scientific simulations. C++ is used by many popular companies, including Microsoft, Adobe, and Amazon. This means that C++ is trusted by some of the largest and most successful software companies in the world, which can help give developers confidence in the language's capabilities and potential. C++ allows for low-level memory manipulation. This means that C++ gives developers fine-grained control over memory usage, which can be useful for optimizing performance or interacting with hardware at a low level. C++ can be challenging for beginners to learn. This means that C++ syntax and concepts can be difficult to grasp, especially for people who are new to programming, and may require more time and effort to learn than other languages. We hope you enjoyed this intro to C++. To enjoy more videos like this, like and subscribe.